Welcome to Business Training Media, your gateway to a world of knowledge, growth, and success. Whether you're aiming to enhance your professional skills, gain career insights, or embark on a journey of personal development, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss business fraud recognition and prevention tips. Be sure to watch until the end to learn where you can find additional valuable resources on this topic. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. In the fast-paced world of business, where opportunities abound, the risk of falling victim to fraud is an ever-present concern. Businesses of all sizes are vulnerable to the detrimental effects of fraudulent activities, ranging from financial losses to damaged reputations. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore in-depth fraud prevention tips and strategies to empower your organization to navigate the intricate landscape of business fraud successfully. Understanding the landscape of business fraud. To effectively combat fraud, it's imperative to grasp the diverse forms it can take within a business setting. Employee fraud, vendor fraud, customer fraud, and cyber fraud represent the multifaceted nature of this threat. Let's delve into each category and understand the common fraud schemes that often accompany them. Employee fraud. Employee fraud can manifest in various ways, including embezzlement, kickbacks, and falsification of records. Vigilance within internal operations is crucial to detecting and preventing such activities. Vendor fraud. Vendor fraud involves deceitful actions from external entities, such as inflated invoices, fake purchases, or kickback schemes. Understanding the vendor landscape and implementing robust controls are essential to mitigating these risks. Customer fraud. Customer fraud can range from credit card fraud to identity theft, impacting businesses that provide goods or services to consumers. Implementing stringent customer authentication measures is vital to curbing such activities. Cyber fraud. Cyber fraud, in the digital age, poses significant threats through phishing attacks, ransomware, and other malicious activities. Understanding the intricacies of cyber threats and implementing advanced cybersecurity measures is paramount. Recognizing warning signs. Early detection of fraudulent activities is a crucial component of any effective fraud prevention strategy. Recognizing warning signs can help businesses identify and address potential issues before they escalate. Financial patterns, behavioral red flags, and technology-related signs all play a role in signaling potential fraud. Financial patterns, such as unexpected revenue fluctuations or irregular expense patterns, can indicate potential fraudulent activities. Regularly monitoring financial statements and conducting thorough analyses are essential preventive measures. Behavioral red flags, such as sudden lifestyle changes in employees or alterations in vendor relationships, warrant attention. These changes may signify underlying issues that, if unaddressed, could lead to fraudulent activities. Technology-related signs, including unusual network activity or suspicious email communications, may point to cyber threats. Employing advanced analytics and data monitoring tools can aid in detecting anomalies and preventing potential breaches. Implementing robust internal controls. Establishing and maintaining robust internal controls is fundamental to a comprehensive fraud prevention strategy. Segregation of duties, regular audits, and employee training programs are integral components of internal control mechanisms. Segregation of duties involves dividing tasks and responsibilities among multiple individuals to prevent any single person from having too much control over a particular process. This practice minimizes the risk of fraudulent activities going undetected. Regular audits and reviews. Regular audits and reviews, including financial audits and process reviews, provide businesses with an ongoing mechanism to identify and rectify potential vulnerabilities. Periodic assessments contribute to a proactive fraud prevention approach. Training. Employee training programs specifically focused on fraud awareness equip staff with the knowledge to identify and report suspicious activities. Whistleblower policies. Whistleblower policies further encourage employees to come forward with concerns without fear of reprisals. Leveraging technology for fraud prevention. In the digital era, businesses must leverage technology to enhance their fraud prevention efforts. Advanced analytics, data monitoring, cybersecurity measures, and fraud prevention software are integral to staying ahead of evolving threats. Advanced analytics, including anomaly detection and predictive analytics, enable businesses to identify irregular patterns that may indicate fraudulent activities. Leveraging data analytics tools can provide valuable insights into potential risks. Data monitoring involves the continuous scrutiny of data streams to detect anomalies or deviations from expected patterns. Implementing real-time data monitoring systems adds an additional layer of protection against fraud. Cybersecurity measures, such as multi-factor authentication and encryption protocols, are essential in safeguarding sensitive information from cyber threats. Businesses must stay updated on the latest cybersecurity technologies to ensure their defenses remain robust. Fraud prevention software, encompassing fraud detection systems and real-time transaction monitoring, automates the process of identifying and mitigating potential risks. Integrating such software into business operations enhances overall security. Vendor and customer due diligence. Fraud prevention extends beyond the confines of an organization to encompass relationships with vendors and customers. Thorough due diligence processes for both vendors and customers are critical components of a comprehensive fraud prevention strategy. Thorough vendor screening involves conducting background checks, verifying references, and assessing the financial stability of vendors. Establishing strong relationships with reputable vendors minimizes the risk of falling victim to vendor fraud. Customer authentication processes, including identity verification and address verification, are crucial in safeguarding against fraudulent customer activities. Businesses should implement stringent measures to confirm the legitimacy of customer information. Legal and compliance considerations. Compliance with anti-fraud regulations is a cornerstone of any effective fraud prevention strategy. Businesses must be aware of and adhere to relevant regulations, including the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, to ensure legal integrity. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act, enacted in response to corporate scandals, mandates stringent financial reporting and disclosure requirements. Compliance with these regulations enhances transparency and reduces the risk of financial statement fraud. The Foreign Corrupt Practices Act prohibits the bribery of foreign officials and promotes ethical business practices. Businesses engaged in international operations must be diligent in ensuring compliance with this act to avoid legal complications. Collaboration with law enforcement agencies is essential for businesses to report fraud incidents and cooperate in investigations. Establishing clear protocols for reporting and collaborating with law enforcement enhances the collective effort to combat fraud. In conclusion, safeguarding your business against fraud requires a multifaceted and proactive approach. By understanding the landscape of business fraud, recognizing warning signs, implementing robust internal controls, leveraging technology, conducting thorough due diligence, establishing a whistleblower program, and ensuring legal compliance, businesses can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to fraudulent activities. Staying one step ahead of fraudsters demands constant vigilance, education, and a commitment to maintaining the highest ethical standards. As you integrate these comprehensive fraud prevention strategies into your business operations, you fortify the foundation of a secure and resilient organization, prepared to navigate the complexities of the modern business landscape. Want to learn more about fraud recognition and prevention? If so, we've included links to some of the top online courses. Check them out in the description below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. This significantly helps us expand the audience for our channel. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have both personal and professional success in your endeavors.